Good morning, guys. How you all doing? This is BBT Beauty Brains and Talent, aka Ndi IGBO. Note it, highlight it, mark it, underline it. I still remain Ndi IGBO. I know how many life-threatening messages I've gotten from different people while I was supporting Igbo, while I was promoting our culture and everything. I want to clear the air today. First of all, I want to let you know that I am promoting our culture. That doesn't mean that I don't respect other tribes and traditions. No. The fact that I promote Igbo, I promote the good work of Igbo, the hard-working Igbo people, the intellectual Igbo people, I will support that. But if you're an Igbo person, you are not doing the right thing, you expect me to stand by you, I'm not going to stand by you. If you have been following my page, you see that most of the Igbo people that did some things, I called them out. Yes, I don't kiss asses, okay? We will all get there. If you never get there in life, thank your stars and do the right thing and have a good name. If you get there, thank your stars too and do the right thing and have a good day, okay? Yesterday I said there were some set of Igbo people that were not doing the right things. Some set of Igbo people cheat people in the market and do stuff like that. They do a lot of things. They do business with you. They do a lot of ill things. Some set, some fractions. That's the English. I did not say every Igbo person. Am I not an Igbo person? I never said every Igbo person. But I think some of you don't watch videos to the end. And when you don't watch videos to the end, you comment whatever you want. There are two things. And some of you, you're just biased for the fact that I just said Igbo and that's it. I saw some comments. Somebody said, oh, you don't over talk. Number one, I'm a woman. There's freedom of speech. And also, if you want a good nation, we should have a good people. And that's what I'm saying on period, okay? Now, if you're saying other tribes, I saw some comments, they say other tribes, every tribe, they are bad eggs. I never said so. I never said that every tribes don't have bad egg. But for yesterday's post, I was referring to our people. We were talking, okay, if I don't talk about it, and nobody does, and everybody sweeps it under the carpet, because, oh, they have this on ground. Mind you, I don't do bigotry. Like, I'm not going to fight another tribe because you're not that tribe. Most people that even work for me in my small businesses, some of them are mixed, different tribes. Just deliver. My PA, she's from Benue State. Okay? One of my head of teams in my academy, that one's from Kogi State. In fact, I have different tribes. The other ones are from Igbo. I really don't care. Okay? So, the misunderstanding here, I have come to clear the air, and I'm telling everyone today, I didn't say Igbo people, generally. No. We have very good, I said it, we have intellectuals. We have intelligent people. We have hardworking Igbo people. We have Igbo people that work for their money. We have Igbo people that have integrity. The minority factor that are doing the thing that is denting the image of others should stop. And that's what I meant on period. I know how many life-threatening messages I've gotten while I'm trying to defend Igbo people, our tribes, and everything. I'm defending them for a good cause. Because I love my culture. Nobody can, and I will not let anybody talk down our culture. I am an Igbo woman. I work hard for my money. I don't know any other thing but working hard for my money. I don't know any other thing but focusing, studying, being an intellectual, doing what I'm doing, dancing, doing what I love to do. Okay? I'm not going to come here to judge anybody based on what they want to do for themselves. But when it affects every other person, like looting money from the public and everything. And somebody said, why would I even link Blessing CEO to whatever is happening? No. Blessing CEO, that name Okoro. That name Okoro is something. It's Igbo. It's an Igbo name. Okay? Low key, even if they don't say it, low key is still there. It's an Igbo lady that came out to tell everybody that she has cancer when she didn't. That's an ill. So I said, example, this plus other people doing this, if they can't stop it. And how else do we tell them? How else does somebody tell somebody, oh, a group of people nowadays, oh, stop this thing? Is it when you get to your village meetings, you sit them down and tell them? Or you just say generally, because social media has a broader reach and it can reach everyone. Let's call a spade, okay? Igbo people are nice people, beautiful people, hardworking people. I was talking about our fraction. Let me tell you a little story, okay? When I was little, I was used to taking first and second. The day I took third, I was flogged by my dad. I was flogged, I was accused. In fact, they said I played too much that time. And I asked, what of someone that took 10s? And we had a class of 44. What about the person that took the 44? And my father said, I'm not talking about the person that took the 44. My late father. I'm not even talking about the person that took the 10th position because they are not my kid. I am talking about you that took third position because you are my kid. You are not a third position candidate. Next time, I had come back to my normal position. So I was directing to Igbo people. I know that there are other tribes that are doing different things. And I even mentioned it. I mentioned it in the video. So next time, please watch my videos to the end. And also, you saying I don't dare about talk. You are trying to shut me up, or as a woman, I'm not supposed to talk. Remember, whatever comments you are putting there, the world is watching you and watching you really clearly. Somebody, because you are Igbo, you don't even like the fact that I call the Igbo. So the people should continue. Like somebody like Blessing should sit down and say she has cancer or leukemia or whatever she wants to come up with next time. Okay? And because I'm Igbo, I shouldn't talk to her. And then because other people are Igbo, they should keep quiet. And I'm not saying other tribes don't have their own. Other tribes can call their own out. As for us, we want a good structure. We want our own better. Thank you all. Gracias.